Gonna open that card from Grandma? Jordan.
Dada. Dada.
No, Grandma.
Say Grandma Marie.
Say thank you. Get it.
Keep going up here. Yeah.
Slow progress.
Do you want Mama to help a little? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, good, honey. Dough.
Did you say dough? I don't know if there's any dough in there.
She said dog.
She said dough.
Okay, now take it out. Can you take out the card? That's why she said dog. There's a dog on it, Daddy. Happy Halloween to an adorable girl. You saw the dog. Is that dog? Open it. It's kind of hard. Here, go. Wow, thank you, Grandma.
Don't tear that.
Who's as pretty as a princess every day of the year. Great Grandma Marie. Say dog. Say thank you.
Jordan.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye?
You say bye?
Bye.
Yeah.